when you're putting these screws in, make sure what we did is take a picture of the screws so you can see, but they're the farthest one away is with this extra holes. The other holes are for the bottom. So you got to make sure you get it in the right one, and when you snap the bottom on and try to put the screws in, you won't, down at the bottom, you won't be lined up, you won't be able to get it all back together. Okay, so they're all up snug. Next thing we'll do is we'll put the ribbons and run the ribbons. Okay, we'll go up here. Where's my light? Turn the light on. Just like that. There we go. Make sure you open the sure it's sitting all the way down flat on the little white pins. Snap it closed, it's nice and flush. Same thing, it'll only go in one way. Sure it's all the way in. There's a little piece of tape here. Had it taped down. This one is taped inside here, like that. All back in there, just the way it was. Over through here. Okay, stop it. Okay, there's a little mark where it goes by the hinges, and you snap the wires through. They go in the little groove here, and then they go underneath that one, and then back in there. And when you come up here, number 2 is right there. And up there, tweezers are where?
Maybe you should use the tweezers.
We got them?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay, keep going. Light. And it snaps it on. Then you see the number 1 over here, up high, and the 2 down low. Here, snap on. Snapped on, we're still wired in. Pull the wires up so that the little mark is right by the end here. You got 1 showing 2, 1 and 2. You got this one on. Got that all locked down. Run through here. Take your case. Start slipping it in. a little bit of it. Snaps in. Oh, okay, stop it, I think. Okay, you just work it around and keep snapping it. You got to push it forward sometimes, push it back once it's all in there. And it's snapping in. Okay. You see the gaps getting smaller, and just that's the way it was right there. Okay, the last thing to do is close it down. Turn it over, take your CD, DVD, slide it in, and start putting all the screws in all the way around. And you can put the two covers back on if you like. Put it in, start it up. So we'll turn it off and we'll come back to you when it's done. Okay, all screws are put in, all put back in. We'll turn it over, we put the battery in, locked it in. Open up, we'll power up. Power light comes on. Looks like the screen's coming on. No busted screen, no busted back, no glass busted.